Good day, Junior Tikkies. I'm Mrs. Brimacombe. We are going to look now at bank statements received. This can happen that the bank statement is received after the trial balance was drawn up. This means that any transactions that appears on the bank statement must be added to our books. So if we look at deposits, it's money received directly in our bank account. Bank is always debited, the rest is credited. If the business has a favorable bank balance, deposits must be added to the current account, which is a current asset. This will appear in your cash and cash equivalents, note number 6. If the business has an unfavorable bank balance, it means that deposits will be deducted from the bank overdraft, which is a current liability. This will appear as current liabilities on the face of your balance sheet. Payments that appear on my bank statement. Remember that bank charges consist out of example, cash deposit fee, service fees. It should always be added as your bank charges. Interest on bank overdraft does not form part of bank charges. It must be shown separately. We need to know what is the cost of borrowing money. It's material. If I look at debit orders and stop orders, just to recap, a debit order is an instruction to a third party that money must be deducted from my account. If we look at a stop order, it's an instruction to the bank that an amount must be deducted from my account. What do both of them have in common? Money is paid from my account. Now, if we look at if payments are made, bank will always be credited, the rest will be debited. If the business has a favorable bank balance, it means that payments will be deducted from the current account, which is then a current asset. So our assets will decrease. If the bank has an unfavorable bank balance, it means payments will be added to the bank overdraft, which is a current liability. It means that our debt will increase. Required, show the effect on the accounting equation. So if we look at adjustment number A, interest on credit balance. Now remember, a bank statement is the opposite from our books. A debit balance means sad, negative. It means that we paid interest. But a credit balance means we are happy, we've received interest for having money in our account. So to show this in our books, when the business receives money, bank is always debited, account credited, interest on current account. On my accounting equation, effect, assets plus 170, owner's equity plus 170. Because our income increase, it will have a positive effect. Adjustment number B, a deposit from Goos, 5,750 in settlement of his account. Take note, Goos is no longer a debtor. This means that the business received money. Why did the business receive money? This is no longer a debtor. It means that we've written his account off as bad debt. So when we recover that money, it must be shown as bad debt recovered. Account debited will be bank. Account credited, bad debts recovered. Effect on the accounting equation, assets plus, because my income increased, it will have a positive effect on the owner's equity. Adjustment number C, debit order. We paid North Municipality for rates and taxes, Gumtree Insurers for insurance. Bank is going to be credited because a payment is made, 5,700, account debited, rate and taxes. Effect on the accounting equation, assets minus, because my expense increased, it has a negative effect on the owner's equity. To show the insurance, bank is credited, account debited, insurance, effect on the accounting equation, again assets minus, because my expense increased, it has a negative effect on the owner's equity. Adjustment number D, bank charges, 578. A payment was made. It means that bank is going to be credited, account debited, bank charges, effect on the accounting equation, assets minus, because my expense increased, it has a negative effect on the owner's equity. Adjustment number E, electronic payment made to one of the partners, Henning, who received a bonus of 55,000. Remember that a partner, from the primary distributions of profits, they are entitled to a salary, a bonus, and interest on capital. That's what they are entitled to. If a partner receives his monthly salary, it means that bank and drawings is involved. When a partner receives his bonus, it means that bank and drawings is involved. Very important to write the name of the partner. Account credited, bank, account debited, drawings. Effect on our accounting equation, assets minus, because a payment was made, owner's equity minus. Number F, a deposit for 2,400 from P&A Stationers. This was for cash refund for stationery returned on the 23rd of June 2021. This means that I need to open up bank and stationery. The business received money, so bank will be debited. Why did the business receive money? This was for a cash refund for stationery that was returned. On my accounting equation, account debited, bank, account credited, stationery, effect on the accounting equation, assets plus, because my expense decreased, it has a positive effect on the owner's equity. Thank you very much. Next, we're going to look at salaries and wages. I want to leave you with this quote. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Have a wonderful day.